Last Wednesday I had a meeting downtown and it ended around 5 p.m. I needed to get back home by 6 because then I had an other meeting on a video conference, so that gave me approximately 25-30 minutes to shoot some street photos. Now finally we got these gorgeous snowstorms. I mean, last year we had hardly any. The only really proper snowstorm last year, I think it was in late April. So now we already got a few, and I'm excited. I love snowstorms. I like snow. It's very interesting to photograph snow, whether that's the daytime or nighttime. It makes everything look different and fresh. I had taken my Rolleiflex with me, so I had that in my car, and I loaded it with one roll of Ilford HP5 Plus. This is really flexible and you can bend and twist it and push and pull it and do all kind of tricks with this. This never fails. It was really dark, but I don't like shooting with a tripod. Tripod to photography is what quantizing is to music. It kills the groove. That's at least my opinion. So I try to avoid using tripod as much as possible, and in a street photo situation it actually doesn't make any sense. So I need to push Ilford HP5 Plus all the way to ASA 6400, and I've done that before and it just goes there really well, no problems. I used my phone as a light meter. It's much more reliable than the light meter on my Rolleiflex. I really don't use this one. And measure that now if I go outside I can use 1/60th of the second, maybe even 1/125th of the second with the aperture 4 and maybe even 5.6. Excellent conditions. So when shooting in a snowstorm, I really like 1/60th of a second because that sort of makes the snowflakes as spikes. You know, it doesn't completely stop the movement, but it, you know, makes them spikes like this. I like spikes more than I like fluffy flakes. So ideal conditions. So with those few minutes, this is what I got. Another added benefit of a snowstorm and shooting street photos in a snowstorm is that you can easily get close to people. They don't pay attention to you as a photographer because they are so occupied to cover themselves from the elements. So it is almost like you can hide behind the snowstorm. Finally I got home, I had my phone conference, and then after that I went downstairs to develop the film. And then as I had developed them, I noticed this picture. Now, instead of me taking this picture, I should have gone and asked him that, do you need any help? Can I get you home? But I didn't do that. I hope he got home safe.